How to fix operation could not be completed error. The very first thing you want to try doing is to make sure that you are logged into your Windows True Administrator account or you have administrator privilege. This is extremely important for the success of this solution. Open Windows Explorer window. Right-click this PC and choose Manage from the options. In the Computer Management window, click on the Services under the Services and Applications section. In the list of services, locate and right-click Computer Browser, then choose Restart. Wait for the computer browser service to restart. After that, locate and right-click Print Looper service, then click Restart from the options. Wait for the Print Looper service to restart. Then locate and right-click Windows Firewall service and select Restart from the given options. Wait for the Windows Firewall service to restart. After restarting all the three above-mentioned services, click on the Close button at the top right side of the Computer Management windows. Press and hold the Win and R keys on your keyboard. Then it will open the Run dialog box. Type Reset in the dialog box and click on the OK button. In the Registry Editor window, expand the folder tree to locate. Now right-click the Windows folder and choose Permissions from the shown options. In the Permissions, choose All Application Packages, then allow full control by checking the relevant box and finally click on the Apply button. Next, choose Administrator from the list, then check Full Control box under Allow and finally click on the Apply button. Now click on the Add button to create a new group. In the Select User window, click on the Advanced button. Click on the Find Now button, then locate and select everyone from the search result and click on the OK button. Now choose Everyone group from the list and click on Allow Full Control to this group. Then click on the Apply button to finalize the changes and finally click on OK to confirm all the changes. Once it has been done, click on the Start button and choose Power option and then select Restart to reboot your computer. After the computer reboots, all the changes made above will take effect. Now is the time to move the network computer where you are unable to connect with your network printer and are experiencing the error. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Operation Could Not Be Completed error. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.